Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet. We are Secret. I just want to do a quick review of this new cloud app. It's called Wi-Fi Profit System. This is going to be launched tonight, right on the 10 a.m. EXT. So basically, this is the world's first and 4-in-1 auto sales app. Get free buyer traffic and sell in 60 seconds. Right? Okay. So let's go through this. There's some earnings. Testimonial here and high ticket commissions, right? Okay, we are having to create a sale on content post out on video, right? Okay, so you can actually use this card app to sell high ticket commission. It's a built-ins also high ticket commissions. They are actually using this webinars method, right? Which you can actually send the link. The people can join the webinars meetings, and you can actually do the high ticket selling there. So you don't have to create your own page. Everything will be done from you, right? There's a line from you page also, right? Okay, so it's just too short to okay. So this basically is the sales page, but this website some 3 steps here. Grab a copy and log into the web base and select one of the done for you campaign and join high ticket sales, declining commission, and free buyer in as little as 60 seconds, right? Okay, so that's why you must get Wi-Fi profit system, brand new 4-in-1 traffic system, free buyer traffic, beta tester, and no experience. Okay, newbie beginner build your this. So this is going to build your this because you are sending people, ask people to join the webinars meeting, because normally this high ticket commission is being sold using this webinars method, right? Okay. 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 So let's quickly go to the member area. So when you log into this Wi-Fi profit system, you will see this UI interface. On the left hand side, there's a dashboard to the campaign from view page, right? Okay, right. So how this thing works is on the top here. There's a campaign. You can create a campaign. Campaign is actually it's a complete funnel. It's something like this. I can show you here. So just view. Okay, that actually is like building a site. It's a complete site. You can actually, they have a lot of page that can actually be linked here. Right? All these page can be created. It could be ethical, right? This could be ethical. Mostly it's ethical. As I say, click here, pop in, right? Because you're going to for free training. My resources, right? Okay, so my resources is where you can. This is more like ethical. Right? Ethical, you can actually. This is a page. You can actually create a page by using this. There's a page function here, right? You can create a page, right? Okay, so the page can when you so here is how it works. Right? In one campaign, you can actually have a lot of different sessions. Okay, so all these sessions it can be either ethical or it's a webinar, right? Okay, okay. So this is all ethical, right? All this is a separate page by itself. Okay? It's ethical, right? Okay. Okay, this is also a webinar. Webinar actually prompt you to actually opt in. So when people prompt you and it prompt ask people to opt in, actually the people have to provide the emails into this, right? Then they have to opt in to join the webinar. So in that, then you actually are growing the list from this method, right? You need to send the traffic to this page, right? Okay. Okay, so when you create this campaign, there will be a publish. So you can actually copy the link. This is a link. You can actually share close all the different traffic sources, and it's okay. Embed it. Okay, embed the page, right? You also can download the page. You can download and upload to your hosting also, right? So first thing first, before you create any campaign or any page, right, you have to actually there is a list of the pre-loaded affiliate link. All this affiliate is going to be appearing somewhere in the campaign itself or inside the page. When you build the page, you are going to tag all these affiliate link inside the page you are building, right? So first thing first, you need to apply for the affiliate for all these product and also have this affiliate link update here, right? So once you update the affiliate link here, only this affiliate link will appear in the page, right? Okay, so this is the first step you need to do. I think there are around 22 affiliate link inside here, right? Okay, so here is go to the page, right? Okay, so this is a page function. Page is where you can actually create a new page, right? You can actually create an article or webinar page, right? So when you create an article, say create article, right? Okay. So you create an article. Let's say you say how to make money with Fiverr. How to make money? How to make? Let's say how to make $100 with Fiverr. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Okay, so this is how it works. So you choose a headline. So just a testing button, you can actually upload your image also. Headline, testing, set also. So you can manage affiliate link collection here. Okay, so this is where you can take all the affiliate here, affiliate link here. Okay, so this is okay. So in here is where you can create a affiliate. So the affiliate you apply, so you can actually create a collection, example like collection 1. Okay, so you can check those affiliate you want to put under this affiliate collection 1. Then let's create new. Okay. Okay, so then this is correct already. Okay, this is correct. So they can then you can then go back and go to the affiliate link table. Okay. Okay, so the page, go back to the page. Okay, just now you create a page, right? The page is how to make money with Fiverr, for example. Right? Okay, so this is where you can actually take the different collection. Example like just now you already have a collection, so you can choose this collection. So when you take this the collection of the affiliate to this page, right? So those affiliate will actually appear in your page, okay, inside this content as a link, right? Okay, so you can now, so your page is curated. So these are the, here they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Okay, so all these pages is either article or webinar, right? Okay, article or webinar, mostly is article, and you can actually, once you have done this step, you can actually come to this campaign. Campaign, you can create a campaign here. Okay, you can create a campaign. There are some campaign we already created. Example, you can just edit this one, right? Okay, so inside this campaign, you can actually you can see this just now was some of the article we created before. Inside the page, you can see all this inside the page, right? Okay, so just take, let's say you want all this to appear, and I want this webinar page also. I want this article page. Then you just fill in the other things. Integration setting, you can integrate with the autoresponder code here. This is when people want to opt into your free training, they have to opt in, and the link will be captured inside the autoresponder. Okay, Facebook comment and all these things, it can be actually been done. Okay, right? Okay, so pop-up setting. Okay, so winners click also. So there's a lot of things you can set here, the campaign, storm color, everything, right? So just create save, right? So this is how we created a campaign. Right? So the campaign is done, and then this is the actually the link. You can actually publish it, right? As I show you, copy this and how you can actually publish it. So there are also this basically this idea, right? Okay, yeah, they have a lot of a list of the affiliate, and with this affiliate link actually appear in article, right? And also and this with the page is where you link from your campaigns, right? It's like a site, you are linking a lot of different page when people click example, like okay. So let's see this. Okay, see this. So this is the page by itself. So this is a page by itself, like you can see. So this is another page by itself. Okay, right. So this is how it works, and also there are some social. You can share the traffic via the social sharing. Okay, and also you can actually have a free traffic here. And also built-in free traffic can be seen here also, right? So all this is, can watch this video. It will actually guide you a way how to get free traffic, things like that, right? And he's also going to send you 1 or 200 free click like a solo app. He's going to send you the free traffic by using. You can use his free traffic to promote any link or just the link for the Wi-Fi performance. Okay, right. So just quickly go to my review page of this, right? So in front of it is a review page of this Wi-Fi profit system. Although I'm giving it a 9.6/10, right? Okay, so this is the front end is the creator is a grand cost key, right? The front end, the price is $17. It's going to be launched tonight, 9.7/10. So this is 100% run from profit system and cloud-based at the include multiple monetization method where the include pre-traffic, so that the way you can monetize, you can actually build a campaign by inserting a lot of different pages, right? Okay, so what are the front ends OTO, right? Okay, so they can actually so this is a okay. I will actually, you come back to this page later, I will actually furnish the info about the front end and OTO. Because the front end is around $17 only, right? There are a couple of OTO which I will actually update back to this page later. So they need to crash it with Wi-Fi profit system, right? So this is full of Sky 4-in-1 run from cloud-based system, point and click software run from you, multiple income stream you will pre-approved to profit from the multiple recurring survey and high ticket offer. You are selling a high ticket offer via the webinar. Fee traffic include, hosting include. You don't have to have your own hosting. Set and forget method, things like that, completely beginner friendly. Okay, build your list file and generate. Okay, you can build your list and generate at the same time. Easy to scale. So these are some of the so-called these bonuses I have prepared, handpicked these bonuses. First bonus is a tip and trick how to make money with Wi-Fi profit system. I have actually prepared a quick tutorial of the tip and trick how to make money with this Wi-Fi profile system. Also, I'm giving you my own product access to 6,000 PLR input video. PLR right. Label right, you can actually sell this content, right, ebook or video, and make a lot of money and keep all the 100% profits. So you're going to get this from me also. This is actually one of the product I just launched last week, and have been also receiving a lot of good response. So this is really priceless, high quality bonuses, right? Who else is going to give you this kind of 6,000 PLR ebook? You can make money from this, or can give you away as a bonus or gift, right? Next one is another tutorial about how to earn 100 per day with affiliate marketing. This is also really exclusive video tutorial only for me. These are from the first 12 hours, these 3 bonuses, right? Okay, again, there are some cloud app, video creation app for more traffic. The VidSpark is one of the software. Also, BotEngage, bot chart creation app for more traffic. This is one of the other app to get you more traffic and lead by using the chatbot, right? Okay, OutReachr is a way of wider traffic cloud app. We can actually get a lot of wider traffic by using this app, using the survey, video pop-up, and also everything, right? So you can use of this. Okay, the last one is 200 special bonuses bundle, whereby you have 200 make money online video course summit from the very top marketer like Brandon and Jono, right? And also they have their previous training course is part of this bundle, right? Okay, and their software app also plugin and tools, right? You can actually preview also this one, like this, right? Okay, so this is the software training course in the bundle. Okay, again, there are also vendor bonuses. I think it's all can be delivered from the WiFi Plus member area. Okay, so front end from the $17, you are getting access to the app. You can actually create multiple income using this system, right? All is all pre-done from you. The campaigns, right? Okay, the articles, you can you don't have to write your article, or everything is been done from you. You just need to actually fill up your affiliate links, right? And the page, you can create your own page, all right? Okay, and type the page. You can create your own article, or you can use a preloaded campaign. Is also here. It comes with preloaded campaign also, right? Okay, so for $17, you are getting the whole system together with my all the bonuses I listed here, right? There's a lot of quality here. I have spent a lot of time to prepare all these bonuses, right? Okay, so that's for me from this review of this Wi-Fi traffic profit system. I hope you can actually click the link below this video, and you are going to come to this video page. Just click on this yellow button, orange button, and you're going to come to the sales page and just pick up this, get access to this Wi-Fi profit system together with BotEngage, right? Remember, BotEngage is only limited to the first 30 lucky person, right? All right, thank you very much. Thanks for watching my review. Right, bye.